spaceships. Don't come equipped with a
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
And I apologize if this message gets you down. Then I CC'd every girl.
What's your name? What's in here? Anything you want to say?
My name's Richard. I'm with Team Hurt Feelings Virginia chapter. I have the PRVs. I have the MR 600Xs. I have 4 of them on the 9K PRV amp right there. And I have the tweeters, 3 tweeter PRV tweeters on the 1200.
Okay.
I got the ones on the 1200, and I got the NSV 5s, wide down and a half an ohm on that Surge 10K. And under that box right there, I got a 90 amp hour alternate. 90 amp hour C-Max.
Okay. Is that underneath the amps?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Everything's nice and clean too, so all the wires are hidden. Looks good,
Yes.
man.
Yes.
Is your box mounted down?
Yes, it's mounted down. Yep.
Very nice. And do you know your box specs, tuning, SPL, or anything like that?
It's tuned to 35.
35. Okay.
Yep.
Did you ever burp test it?
I burp tested it once, and I hit a 151 at 33 hertz.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you break your glass from the flex?
No, that was like that before.
Okay.
But it cracked more from the flex.
Yeah. What size lithium you had?
I got a 90 amp hour.
Okay.
I got 2 alternators. This is the Fat Boy box. It helps basically keep my my voltage
up. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Is there a way I can see the back? See how the box looks? Nice.
He doubled it all the way upside the bottom.
Double baffle everywhere, single here. Got it. Plate's pretty low too.
Yeah.
Nice. How big is your box? Like 8 cubes, 9? You remember?
I think it was 8.
8. Okay.
Instead of playing the whole song, they told me to play like 45, so the chords don't heat up. Because I got the NSV 5.
Okay.
They got the Neo mode.
Yes, sir.
So I usually play it like that. So.
Witness all around me true, but I know Island Peninsula maybe makes no sense. I know crazy. Give up all this pussy cat that's in my lap. No looking back. Spaceships don't come equipped with the rear view mirrors. They dip as quick as they can. The atmosphere is now ripped. I'm so like a pimp. I'm glad it's night, so the light from the sun would not burn me on my bum when I shoot the moon. High jump the broom like a preemie out the womb. My partner yelling too soon, don't do it. Reconsider, read some living. Sure on the subject, you sure? Fuck it. You know we got your back like chiropractic. If that bitch do you dirty, we'll wipe her ass out as in detergent. Now hurry, go on to the altar. I know you ain't a pimp, but pimp, remember what I taught you. Keep your heart, 3 stacks. Keep your heart, hey, keep your heart, 3 stacks. Keep your heart, man, these girls smart, 3 stacks, these girls smart. Play your part, play your part, Jones.
You got another one for me?
Yeah, I got another one. Let me give you one more. I think this one is 28 to 51.
Used to spend my nights but you rescued me from reaching for the bottom. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back. Been too far gone.
That gets low. Man, to the high 20 hertz range really well, man.
Yeah.
Nice. Dude, I hear all the lyrics here. Did a good job with your doors, too.
Yeah, I'm on Team PRV.
TPRV, all right.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.